Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best HITBOX welding machine on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mentup, check the description box below. Number 5. HITBOX MIG 250 Welding Machine. The HITBOX MIG 250 welding machine is celebrating its first birthday, offering a plug-and-play convenience with an EU plug, triple functionality with MIG, arc, and TIG welding capabilities, and automatic wire feeding speed. This versatile machine is suitable for a wide range of welding applications and is compact and lightweight, weighing only 12.5 kilograms and measuring 425,183,290 millimeters. With C certification and origin in mainland China, the HITBOX MIG 250 guarantees quality craftsmanship and adherence to international standards. The machine offers MIG welding functions for precision stainless steel projects, gasless MIG for iron welding without an external gas supply, lift TIG for stainless steel welding, and arc for iron welding. The machine also offers welding material versatility, with the ability to seamlessly weld stainless steel and tackle iron welding projects confidently. The machine's C certification ensures safety and performance. Number 4. HITBOX MT2000 Welding Machine. The HITBOX MT2000 welding machine is a reliable choice for both amateurs and professionals. It offers powerful performance with an output current ranging from 30 to 200 A, allowing for various welding tasks. The machine's wire feeding speed of 3 to 18 meters min ensures precise control, allowing for accurate welds. It supports wire diameters of 0.6, 0.8, and 1.0 millimeters, providing flexibility for different welding requirements. The compact and portable design weighs 11 kg and measures 402,730 centimeters, making it easy to transport. The machine is C certified, meeting the highest safety and performance standards. Its user-friendly interface is designed for both beginners and experienced welders. The machine's housing protection grade of IP21 ensures durability and longevity. The HITBOX MT2000 is a reliable choice for both amateurs and professionals. Number 3. HITBOX AARC200D Mini Welding Machine. The HITBOX AARC200D Mini Welding Machine is a compact and reliable tool for welding tasks. Its compact design, measuring 285,180,210 millimeters, makes it suitable for small workshops or on-the-go projects. With a 220 V voltage input, it provides a robust 4.5 kW power output and a 60% duty cycle, making it suitable for carbon steel welding tasks. The machine has a wide amperage range, ranging from 20 A to 140 A, and a pilot arc current of 10 to 120 A, ensuring consistent and reliable results. The user-friendly interface, with an EU plug and electrode diameter flexibility of 1.6 to 3.2 millimeters, makes navigation easy for both beginners and experienced welders. The machine is C certified and based in mainland China, ensuring safety and performance. The HITBOX brand is synonymous with quality, and the ARC200D Mini lives up to its reputation. Number 2. HITBOX HBM200 Welding Machine. The HITBOX HBM200 welding machine is a state-of-the-art welding tool that offers user-friendly convenience and versatility for both seasoned and novice welders. It offers gas and gas-less welding options, with gas-less MIG and iron welding functions for precision on a wide range of materials. The HBM200 also features automatic wire feeding speed, enhancing efficiency and precision in welds. Its compact and portable design, weighing in at just 6 kilograms, ensures portability for various projects. The machine is built with durability and C certification, making it a reliable companion for both professional welders and enthusiasts. With a rated input current of 22 A and a power capacity of 5.1 kVA, the HBM200 delivers powerful performance, with a recommended 40 A fuse capacity for optimal performance. The gasless MIG function sets the HBM200 apart in MIG welding, simplifying the welding process without compromising on quality. Number 1. HITBOX HBT250P AC/DC Welding Machine. The HITBOX HBT250P AC/DC welding machine is a versatile and efficient tool that offers dual functionality for TIG AC/DC and arc MMA stick welding applications. Its TIG pulse welding function enhances heat control, reduces distortion, and improves weld quality. The machine has a rated input power of 5.8 kVA and a rated input current of 26.3 A, providing power for various welding tasks. Its sturdy construction ensures longevity and reliability. The user-friendly interface simplifies the welding process, making setup and operation a breeze. The machine is C certified, ensuring compliance with European safety standards. Its TIG no-load voltage of 65 V ensures a stable output, and its impressive 60% duty cycle allows for extended periods of continuous operation without compromising performance. This makes it an ideal choice for both amateur and professional welders. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.